This is the all-new SmartPack PRO, designed for travel, power, and security, all in one sleek package. Today I'm walking you through 3 major design features and showing you exactly how they work together to make your everyday carry smarter. Let's start with one of the highlights, the OMNI-Pocket. This isn't your average wireless charging sleeve. Integrated multi-coil technology means that your phone charges effortlessly. No need to line it up perfectly, just slide and go. A hidden zipper keeps everything safe and secure. Here's how to activate it. Step 1, plug your power bank inside. Step 2, slide your phone into the OMNI-Pocket. That's it, wireless charging anywhere you go. The OMNI-Pocket also doubles as convenient and secure storage for your Sidekick accessory, so you always have easy access to your cards when you're on the go. Traveling light but smart, the SmartPack PRO's front compartment doubles as a mini carry-on. It opens vertically for easy access, perfect for tight airport situations. And the separate bottom section, perfect for stacking shoes to keep your clean clothes untouched. When it's time to get work done securely, the anti-theft work zone has your back. Everything has its place. Notebook, charger, stored neatly. Your MacBook, protected. Set up the Combo Lock 2.0 for next level security. It's fast, reliable, and TSA ready. From seamless charging to smart travel organization to anti-theft security, the SmartPack PRO isn't just another backpack. It's your all-in-one everyday system. Ready to go anywhere? You do.